In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a viewer in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so someone can see your board without changing anything on it. This is perfect when you want to share progress with a stakeholder, a client, or a teammate who just needs visibility. First, open the board where you want to grant view-only access. In this example, we're heading to the trial management board. You can find it from your sidebar or by using the search bar at the top of your workspace. If your account has multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before you proceed. A quick tip: glance at the board name and a couple of items to confirm you're in the right place, especially if you manage similar boards. Once you're on the board, look toward the top right corner and click the invite button. Depending on your layout or plan, it might appear as a person icon with a plus sign, but it will be clearly labeled or easily recognized as the invite control for the board. Opening this brings up the sharing and permissions options, and this is where the key setting lives. Before you do anything else in the invite panel, make sure the role or permission is set to guest or viewer. This is important because it determines what the person can do once they have access. Viewer typically means read only inside your account, which prevents edits, deletions, or structural changes to your board. Guest is usually intended for people outside your account, like partners or clients with access limited to the specific board you share. If you're sharing externally and want strict visibility, choose guest and set their access to view only. If you're sharing internally and want to guarantee no edits, choose viewer. Take a moment to double check the permission setting before moving on. If you see options for board permissions, confirm they reflect what you want. The person should be able to open the board, scroll, filter, and expand items, but not edit or move anything. If the guest or viewer option isn't visible, you may need the right plan or admin permissions. So check with your account admin. That's all there is to it. Go to the correct board, open the invite panel, and ensure the access level is set to guest or viewer so it's strictly read only. With that in place, you can confidently share your board, knowing your data stays intact while your audience stays informed.